What's the difference between Dist-Packages and site packages? I'm a bit miffed by the Python package installation process. Specifically, what's the difference between packages installed in the Dist-Packages directory and the site packages directory?
Dist-Packages is a Debian-specific convention that is also present in its derivatives, like Ubuntu. Modules are installed to Dist-Packages when they come from the Debian package manager into this location. Since easy_install and pip are installed from the package manager, they also use Dist-Packages, but they put packages here. From the Debian Python wiki. Dist-Packages instead of site packages. Third-party Python software installed from Debian packages goes into Dist-Packages, not site packages. This is to reduce conflict between the system Python and any from source Python build you might install manually. This means that if you manually compile and install Python interpreter from source, it uses the site packages directory. This allows you to keep the two installations separate, especially since Debian and Ubuntu rely on the system version of Python for many system utilities.
Debian and Ubuntu has introduced its own convention. On Ubuntu Focal gives the convention, as described in the linked mailing list, is that Python deb packages installed by the distribution package manager go into, and packages installed using sudo pip3 go into .8/dist-packages. If you compile and install your own Python interpreter, it will default to placing itself in /usr/local, with installs going into .y/site packages. The point of the Debian convention is to keep the three sets of packages separate. Python packages installed by apt. Packages installed by root user with /usr/bin/pip3. Packages installed by root user with their own break time equals 1s/break.
Dist-Packages is the Debian-specific directory where apt and friends install their stuff, and site packages is the standard pip directory. The problem is, what happens when different versions of the same package are present in different directories? My solution to the problem is to make Dist-Packages a symlink to site packages. If you are not using new tools, remove the V option.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.